There are two ways to install an AirCom radio. It can be mounted on an air control display as a single block in the panel, or it can be mounted remotely with a mounting tray and cables. In this video, we will mount the AirCom directly on the air control display control head and install it in the panel. Install the AirCom radio module on the air control display using the B584 mounting bracket. Ensure that all supplied screws are used. Now install the combination in the panel using the 4 Phillips screws supplied with the air control display. If you do not plan to use the altimeter function, the pressure tubing can be left unconnected. Now prepare the wiring. There are multiple wiring options depending on your installation case. In any case, the power supply, at least one microphone input, one headphone or speaker output, one PTT button, and the data bus termination must be connected. Please take a look at the installation manual for details. You can use one of our pre-made cables, for example the B703 cable, or make your own cable. If you wish to use position-based functions like the nearest or the station names function as an option, you can connect a serial GPS position source. As an example, you can use the pre-made cable B394 to connect a GPS position source. AirCom comes with Quick Lock D-sub lock nuts. Quick lock connectors are very easy to install in an aircraft. As an alternative, you can change the lock nuts to any other types with UNC 440 threads. After thoroughly checking the wiring and ensuring all is connected correctly, plug both connectors in, the AirCom connector and the upper connector on the ACD that is providing the GPS position signal. After both connectors are engaged, apply power. When powering up your system for the first time, a screen shows up prompting you to configure the unit. Click to enter the menu, go to ACD Setup, and unlock the setup by entering the code 3000. Now, go to ACD COM Setup and switch COM type from None to AirCom. Push Escape and go to ACD System Setup. Then, go to Interfaces and Position Source. Configure the upper connector as a source for GPS position data. Leave the menu. Your system will reboot now and the radio user interface will show. For better performance of the radio, the audio setup can be tuned to meet the exact needs of the installation environment. As a standard, AirCom is configured to work with normal aviation headsets. If you use very good headsets, weaker headsets, or dynamic microphones, you can change the microphone gain value. Open the menu, go to AirCom AC1, and unlock the setup by entering 3000. Now go to AC1 Setup and to your audio configuration. Set the gain value for the inputs you use. When on the gain page, speak into the microphone and adjust the gain value so that it remains in the green area. It should never exceed the green range and preferably not fall below it.
1 2 1 2 1 2 mic check 1 2 3 4 check again 3 4.
After the setup is good, leave the menu. You can adapt the ACD to your requirements, for example the screen brightness control. For more information, please consult the ACD 57 installation manual. If you want to use position-based functions, use the printed coupon that comes with your air control display to redeem your free 2-year database subscription. For details, please visit avionics.com and the Add-on Functions and Databases page. After you are done with the setup, please document your configuration in the configuration log. An example is provided in the installation manual appendix. Also, take care that all required documentation in your aircraft is updated and that the installation is checked and signed off if required. Please make sure that you familiarize yourself thoroughly before your first flight with the new radio.